In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix phone not connecting to PC or laptop but charging. First, unlock your phone and connect it to your PC or laptop. Then drag down from the top of your phone screen to access the quick settings. Look for the USB option, which should say something like USB charging this device. Tap on it and then tap again to open settings. Make sure you have selected transferring files, not charging phone only. This should allow your phone to connect properly for file transfers. If that does not solve the problem, press the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type in Device Manager. Open it and look for other devices. Click the arrow to expand the section. If you don't see it there, check under Portable Devices. Once you find your device, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Confirm your decision, then unplug your phone and plug it back in. After reconnecting, check if the phone is now connecting. If it's still not working, go back to Device Manager, right-click on the device and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for updated driver software and hopefully the issue will be resolved and you will be able to access your files. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.